The best choice for smart lighting is clear when you do the math. Have you ever noticed how many bulbs are in your house? Imagine having to buy new smart bulbs to replace all of them. That can get really expensive. Why do that when you can make your regular bulbs smart? That's what Caseta by Lutron does by putting the brains in the switch where you've always controlled your lights. And since one switch can control a lot of bulbs, buying smart switches instead of smart bulbs can save you a lot of money. And here's something else. If someone flips off the power to the smart bulb at the switch, it's no longer smart. But Caseta is always ready to go, even when the switch is off. Plus, with more ways to control, anyone in the house can adjust the lights. And it's the most connected smart lighting control brand on the market, so you can rest easy that it will work well with most smart devices you have now and the ones you'll get tomorrow. Because Caseta works with your home's existing wiring, installation is a breeze. If you need support, it's just a click or phone call away. No wonder Caseta is highly rated by homeowners, lighting pros, and reviewers alike. When you add it all up, it's clear. Caseta by Lutron is the smarter choice for smart lighting.
We're introducing the Levoit Core 300 True HEPA Air Purifier, a modern upgrade to home wellness. To help combat common health issues, we've designed the 3-stage filtration system to catch a wide range of contaminants and keep your air as clean as possible. Combining efficiency with comfort, our powerful air circulation technology refreshes your space in minutes while adding minimal noise to your home. While you rest easy, the air purifier keeps working all day long. Upgrade your air quality with the Levoit Core 300 True HEPA Air Purifier, designed with your family in mind. Levoit.
Everybody loves homemade bread, but we don't have time to make it. So why not let Cuisinart do it for you? The Cuisinart automatic bread maker has a compact footprint without sacrificing functionality. It offers a variety of loaf sizes, as well as 3 crust options to choose. Try light, medium, or dark crust, and select your loaf size as 1, 1.5, or 2 pounds. With 12 pre-programmed menu options, you're sure to find the perfect freshly baked bread recipes you've been wanting to try. And for a quick and easy recipe option, flip through the included recipe guide to find everything from gluten-free and artisan bread creations to jams and sauce recipes. The automatic bread maker is specifically designed for maximum efficiency with minimal usage of your countertop. The viewing window and interior light make it easy to watch your bread spring to life without escaping valuable baking heat by lifting the lid. The removable kneading paddle and bread pan make cleanup a snap. The bread maker features an easy-to-read LED display, delivers functions including bake only, and has a 13-hour delay start, so your bread is perfectly timed to serve. Wake up or come home to oven-hot bakery-fresh artisan breads right in your own kitchen with the Cuisinart Compact Automatic Bread Maker.
Introducing the SwitchBot. Now you can control any switch remotely from your smartphone, smartwatch, or the internet. Turning on your bedside lamp has never been so easy. Get your morning coffee self-served. Never miss your favorite TV show. Remotely turn on or off your computer whenever you need it. Feed your lovely pet while you're away at the touch of a smartphone button. With the SwitchBot, everything is done using one single, simple click. Enjoy more time curled up in bed and let the SwitchBot do your busy work. SwitchBot is equipped with a 3M VHB tape. Just tape it and you're done. No additional tools required. The SwitchBot works with your smartphone or your smartwatch. No need to worry about multiple bots. Our smartphone app can handle every bot at once. Thanks to our patent-pending design, the SwitchBot can relay commands to multiple bots, even when your smartphone is out of Bluetooth range. Switch Hub, it enables the SwitchBot to connect with the internet. No hassle, no mess, for greater convenience and streamlined functionality.
Introducing the Gorilla Grip Drawer and Shelf Liners. Our liners are constructed with a durable and non-adhesive bottom that's slip-resistant to help keep the liners in place. The open grid construction design helps protect your drawers and shelves and allows them to easily breathe. Measure your shelves and drawers. Use a scissors to trim for a perfect fit and place in your cabinets. To clean, just wash with mild soap and a damp cloth or sponge. We hope you love your new drawer and shelf liners from Gorilla Grip.